In this video, I'll show you how to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Trust Wallet. After you've logged into your Trust Wallet, we're going to go right down here to the bottom of the screen and tap on the swap icon. Once you're on this page right here where it says from, we're going to tap on this arrow right here and we're going to look for the TRX network. Since we want to convert USDT into TRX, we're going to go right here where it says TRX and we're going to look for USDT on the TRON network, which is right here. But if it doesn't show for you, you can just search for it in the search bar up top, type in USDT, tap on USDT on the TRON network. And right here where it says to, we're going to tap on this arrow next to Bitcoin and we're going to look for the TRON network. You can do it by looking through the list or just searching for it in the search bar up top. Tap on TRON or TRX. And right here, it automatically put up TRX for me. But if it doesn't, you just tap on this arrow and look for TRON in the list or just search for TRX right here. Tap on TRON. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert into TRON. This is the fee that you're going to pay. And this is how much TRX that you're going to receive. Confirm everything is correct. Tap on the button continue, confirm the transaction. And that's how to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.